Hello, Asalamoalikum. There is an video of home old iron restoration into new iron. I did my try best. Let's see how it's look after restoration. Simply, I open the complete iron and change few items that are damaged into new. You can easily find from your local market. There is an small screw which function is your iron heat and cut off when it complete warm. So after fix your iron, control the cutout screw like this. You can see light is turned on, so it's mean from there it start working from 1 to 6. You can check iron with tester if there is an current or short circuit. Look how's it look after complete packing. Now check it's turned on or not. Oh, oops, sorry. I think so. There is an power switch is off. Now see, it's on. It's off when it's 0. It's on when it go near 1. It's on. Now it will be off when it complete warm. That's mean its cutout switch is working. Thanks for watching.